Hi guys, once again welcome to Sementia Farms, and as usual my name is Fred. Today I'm on the streets of San Diego, and in my neighborhood it's a small butcher shop, as you can see behind me. And what I'm doing is I'm gonna go in and buy some meat, because today I'm gonna make some fufu here in the US. But you might be wondering, why are you talking to us about your food this evening? I'm recording this because this is a dream that I have had. And as a farmer, I think most of the time we focus on, just rearing the animals without thinking about the final products. And that is an issue, because that is where the money lies. Imagine in Ghana, after rearing my cows for 2 years, a butcher man will come, not even weigh the cows in order for me to get enough money per kilo. He looks at it and tell me that, oh, this is small, this is big, this is that, and therefore just quote any price for me. If I'm desperate, I have no option than to take that money. And if I'm not, then what happens? The cow just stays and overgrown. And that is a big issue, especially if you're in the livestock industry. And that is why today I want to share with you guys what others are doing and what we can also learn from it. So as I said, I'm here with Nick, and he's gonna tell us a little bit about the farm. And also, if you're living in San Diego area and you want some fresh meat, some good meat, I've gotten my meat. Nick is the guy to talk to. So Nick, tell us a little bit about your store.
So our store, we basically cater, it's all prime beef, so all of our stuff is brand beef. It's all natural, no antibiotics, no hormones at all.
Yeah.
So all of our beef is just top grade stuff. So we like to get a nice age on everything 4 weeks before it touches the case. Really
Nice.
Breaks it down, brings a lot more flavor to it.
Yeah.
We do a lot of marinated and seasoned meats that they're one of our biggest sellers. We're from the Imperial Valley, so carne asada and stuff like that's kind of the root of where we're from. So we do a lot of different marinades. I mean, we even do Korean style short ribs. So we do a lot of different styles that we basically listen to just all of our customers coming in. If they want a special sausage or something, we'll try it out. If
Yeah.
it works well, it sticks. So
Yeah.
we just really listen to the neighborhood and try to cater to everybody at the neighborhood.
Excellent, John. Thank you very much. So in case somebody lives in San Diego and wants to find you, how can we contact you? Where should we go?
Yeah, definitely. So we're located here in Golden Hill, 1220 28th Street. We can definitely just give us a call and we can answer any questions or help you with anything you might be looking for.
So basically, if you come to this shop, you can see the hours that they are open. So they are closed on Monday, Tuesday to Fridays they are open. But basically, I want to show you guys how this is done. All right, so I just came here and purchased meat. So if you're a cattle farmer like myself, you could see that there are a lot of beef cut and dressed nicely, right, sold per pound. Right, as I was saying, mostly the butchers will come to our farm and they will just not even weigh the animals, but just give us any price that they want. This is the vision, guys. This is the goal. This is what I want to do, and this is what I think every livestock farmer should be aiming at, right? They just haven't processed the meat. They've also turned some into even sausage. Nick, do you want to tell us a little bit about what you do here?
All our beef is prime, so it's an all natural, no antibiotic, no hormone product.
Yeah.
Everything we carry has no antibiotics, no hormones. From our beef, which is all brand beef, comes from my hometown, Imperial Valley, to our sausage. We make almost 100 styles of sausage that rotate every week.
Yeah.
We're known a lot for our marinated meats in our grab-and-go case, like our carne asada, our chicken asada, our tri-tips.
Yeah.
We do fresh ground beef, breakfast sausage, chorizo. So we do a lot of different things that are great products.
Nice, guys. So Imperial Valley, you said? Yeah. Okay. So we were in El Centro.
So very close, Brawley.
Okay, Brawley. Okay. Yeah, so you guys remember when I went to El Centro and we visited some cattle farm, and also there were a lot of sheep around. That is where we are coming from, right? So that's very ironic. But I think it is very impressive what is happening here. And not just the beef, but you can see they've also come up with some cool sauces, right? Just to add to it. This is creating market. I mean, you can see, you know, some folks here, probably they started it. They have some souvenirs as well. And hopefully this inspires you, even with the bones, right? There are some bones here that they are selling. You know, you could see maroon bones, right? So this is such a huge motivation for me, right? This store is not very big, but again, they've really utilized like everything that they're doing here, and it's amazing. I mean, customers are walking in. There are refrigerators all around, basically, you know, selling in this neighborhood, and everybody comes, and you can see this unique cow. Lovely, right? Yeah, guys, so if you are a farmer in Africa and thinking about doing any sort of livestock farming, hopefully this small space could motivate you, because it is a motivation for me, and this is where I want to go with my livestock farming, and I hope that's what you want to do as well. So thank you very much if you're watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed, at Semenshia Farms we talk about innovative way of farming, and when I do travel like this, I bring you also videos that can motivate you. Today we are in a butcher shop where there are farmers from Imperial Valley and bringing the animals here fully organic and selling in the neighborhood of California, and it's doing very well. And I hope that has inspired you just like it has. Someday I might come here and learn about the business so that I can go back to Ghana and innovate my farm and be able to sell my product as a final product as well. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned.